trip to Your Sushi in Newcastle, and it's first time not using my phone as a camera. So I'm testing that out. The Sony, what is it? Sony, some FDR 3000 or something. Is that right? Yes. Parked up, don't need a ticket today, do you? For Sundays?
I think you do. Fixed rate.
Fixed rate? I thought it was free on a Sunday.
£3.
That's rubbish. That's a rip off.
Am I in the bay?
Why is it not Five Alive or whatever? In the bay? Let's have a look, let's investigate. Just over on this side. No, because that's the lift just kicking off there. Exiting Garden Square. Downstairs. Big screen for the Euro. Nearly there. Only a few more doors until we're at Your Sushi. Nearly 15 minutes late. I'm never late. It's not my fault, this.
Dad is never late.
Never late. It's one of my things. I'm never ever late.
One time he was late, that was because of me.
Can't afford to be late. That's the thing. There we go. Your sushi. Oh, looks like we've got a bit of a queue system going on here. So we have to order on the app because they don't come around the belt anymore. You basically order, the light turns orange when something's coming, I think, then green once it's arriving. So you just got to scroll through.
Even though that we don't have anything.
So you've got to scroll through and work out what you want and then order it on there.
I've got a few orders from your table over here.
Dad.
Oh.
Grab your drinks, not the black one.
Yeah.
That might be yours, Coken.
We have a situation where the light keeps going green but the food doesn't arrive, so there's a panic that it's being stolen. We'll see if it comes around. This is the best, the chili squid, the best thing in Your Sushi. And some, they're not called furiyaki fries now, are they?
This is your fries.
Your fries, they're nice, lovely. Get a bit of this squid. A little bit of chili. Perfect. And under this lid, katsu curry. Spicy squid, so good. Got it twice. Nice steam. What's that?
Beef teriyaki.
Beef teriyaki. There you go. So that's us done. Your Sushi Newcastle. Got quite a bit of, quite a few plates hanging around there.
Just a bit. Not that many plates.
So slightly different usual. You order on the app, they aren't going around the belt, which is why they don't have colours on the plates. They're all made to order.
What were the colours on the plates for again?
Price.
Price.
Right, so that's it. I don't know, might show you a little bit around Newcastle. Who knows? If not, then it's vlog over. Cheers.